mo alam ang tunay na gastos? Do you know how much it really costs to run your business every month? I hope you're not like this couple that I'm about to share with you. Ang tawag natin sa kanila ay si Julius at si Andrea. Meron silang printing and large format production business. Daming orders, corporate clients, busy every week. Pero every month, they feel stressed. May pera na pumapasok pero laging halos ubos pagdating ng katapusan ng buwan. Nung tinanong ko sila, how much are your total monthly expenses? Hindi sila makasagot kaagad. Siguro mga 150,000, Mami N, sabi ni Julius. Sabi ko, ilista nyo lahat. Rent, utilities, sweldo, materials, machine, maintenance, ink, delivery costs, even the coffee for the office, dapat nakalista. And alam mo ba, nagulat sila na yung kanilang actual monthly expenses was 230,000 pesos. Almost 80,000 more than yung kanilang original na estimate. Kaya pala parating parang short yung pera nila. They were pricing jobs based on wrong assumptions. They were spending based on what they felt, not what was real. Once nakita na nila yung tunay na numbers, inadjust na nila yung kanilang pricing. Nag-cut na sila ng unnecessary expenses, and within 6 months, they finally had money left at the end of each month. Kaya anak, ito yung lesson. Hindi mo mamamanage yung hindi mo minimeasure. If you don't know your real cost, you are flying blind. And blind pilots, they crash, di ba? Kaya let's list every single expense. Let's update it monthly. Let's face the real numbers even if they scare you. Maraming beses, I have come across with business owners who don't track their numbers the right way. Huwag sayangin ang mga pinagpaguran, anak. As business owners, we have to love the numbers. Remember, that's how we can be business-minded Pinoy.